Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. Most welcome to Triangular Kamal Academy. Today I am going to solve the third week math assignment 2 for the students of SSC 2022. This assignment for the students of English version, so this math second assignment. So let's see, first we will discuss the questions type and then we will try to find the solution step by step. So there are 3 questions. First questions, there are 2 parts A and B and total marks 4. And the question 2, there are also 2 questions. First question mark 2, second question mark is 4. And the third questions, there are 4 marks. So total 14 marks and mark criteria also given here. Up to which step you have done, then how many marks you will get here. So this assignment basically from the finite series chapter 13. So let's see how we can solve it step by step. So if we discuss the first questions here, let's review here. We can solve the first question. First questions, there are diagram is given here. If we zoom this one, the diagram is given here. In the first figure, we see here 1 coin. And the second figure, we see here total 3 coins. I think given here, if we design properly, there are 1 coins. That means 1. There are 2, 1, and there are also 2. So there are total 3 coins. And the next figure, there are base 3 coins here. 1, 2, and 3. And there are 1 and 2, and there is 3. So first figure, second figure, third figure, fourth figure given, and this is number 5. Now our requirement, draw the 10th figure. That means in the same way, what will be 10th number figure and find the number of coins. Just if we draw the figure, we will get here 1 marks, and if we identify the number of coins, then we will get another 1 mark. So total marks is 2. Let's see the first diagram. What is the answer here? Okay, just we can see here, first question requirement, draw the 10th figure and find the number of coins. Answer to the question number 1A. In the same pattern, 10th number figure is shown below. That means this is the first step. So I have done this one by using computer. So definitely you have to draw this figure by using compass or by using the coins. So there are total in the 10th figure, there are ones in the base 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then use the another one in between them. So in this step there will be total 10. But this step 1 less than 10, that means 9. And this step there will be 8. This looks like orange arranging by the food seller. So now this is just if you draw the figure, this 1 mark is okay. Now in the second part, number of coins. So there are total in the base, there are total 10, 8, 7, 5 to up to 6. There are total number of coins in the 10th figure, there is 55. So number of coins in the 10th figure will be 55. So if we do this one, you will get another one. So total 2 marks question in the 1A. Now let's see the second question here. What is the second question? Find the number of coins for nth figure. So nth figure number of coins. If we see here in the first figure, if we zoom in here, in the first figure there are number of coins is 1. In the second figures, we see here their number of coins is 3. In the third figure, there are number of coins is 6. In the fourth figure, there are number of coins is 10. So by using this, find the number of coins in nth figure. What will be? There are 2 marks. If we make the sequence, we will get here 1 marks. And if we can write the formula properly and identify the number of coins, you will get another 1 marks. So this is another 1 marks, total 2 marks. Okay, let's see. Question number 1B. This is the question number 1B. In the first figure, the number of coins is 1. So definitely, just we have arranged the like formula format. first figure 1, there is a 3, and then next figure there are total coins 6, and the next figure there are total coin 10. So what is the difference in between them? 2. In between them there is difference 3. In between them there is difference is 4. So always difference increasing by 1. Difference increasing by 1. That means the first one, this is the first number for n. This is the first one n, and this the difference increasing by 1. That means n plus 1. So now to make equal with the first one, we will divide by 2. Similarly, now 1 means 1 multiply 1 plus 1. 1 plus 1 equals to 2. 2 multiply 1. That means total to 2 divided by 2 will be 1. Similarly, in the second figure, there are total coins number 3. Like second figure looks like this: 1 coins, 2 coins, and the 3 coins. So in the second figure, number of coins is 3. 3 means n plus 1 divided by 2. So there are 3 multiplied 2, 6. 6 divided by 2, there will be 3. So similarly, in the third figure, number of coins 1 plus 2 plus 3. There is now 6. 6, that means by using the same formula, n plus 1 divided by 2. So doing the same work for the number of fourth figure, the total number of coins 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4, 10. 10 means 4 multiply 4 plus 1 divided by 2. So by using the same format, in the nth figure, the number of coins will be 1 plus 2 plus 3. That means up to n. In the fourth figure, the num up to 4. In the third figure, there are up to 3. So definitely in the nth figure, there will be up to n. So now if this number is 4, previous one will be minus 1. If this number is 3, previous one will be minus 1. So if this number is n, previous one will be n minus 1. If this number is n, previous one will be if this number is n minus 1, definitely previous number will be n minus 2. That means here n minus 1 is smaller than n, that the difference is 1. So here increasing order, and from the right side to left side, it one will be decreasing order. But the total sum follow n multiply n plus 1 divided by 2. So nth figure and the number of coins will be n times of n plus 1 divided by 2. This is our answer. So now see the second questions. Then we will show the answer here. Now, dear students, you can see here the second questions. There are another diagram is given here. This diagram looks like in the first column there is a 1. In the second column, there is a 2. In the third column 3. This is the 4. In the first column 1 and 1, and then 1 plus 1 is equals to 2. Is in the second column 1 plus 1 will be 2, then 1 and 1. So 1, 2 and 1 will be 4. So this diagram is given here. According to diagram, what will be the fifth number? So in the n equals to 5, find the number of second column. That means this is the first column, this is the second column, this is the third column. So now identify the for n equals to 5, what will be the number in the fifth column, and show that. And their sum always follow the 2 to the power n formula. So here sum 2, here sum 4, here sum 8, and their sum always follow the 2 to the power n formula. So let's see review how we can find. And the second questions, make a series by using the sum of the numbers in each row, and how many rows number sum will be 2046. So now find the answer here. This is the question A. Now okay, this is the twice A questions. We can see here. Okay. In the first, I think what is the question here? In okay. In the if the first part, for the n equals to 5, find the number of second column. Number of second column are, okay, let's review here. N equals to 1, there are 1, 1 and 1. So 1, 1 and 1, their sum will be 2. And now in the second part, so there are ending, there are 2 ones. Now 1 plus 2, there will be 3. 2 plus 1, there will be 3. And initial and ending, there will be 1. Again, now do add. 1 plus 3 is equals to 4. 3 plus 3 is equals to 6. 3 plus 1, there is a 4. So initial and ending, there will be 1. So by using the same sequence in the number 5, 1 plus 4 equals to 5, 4 plus 6 equal to 10, 4 plus 6 equal to 10, 4 plus 1 equals to 5. So their initial 1 and ending 1. So for n equals to 5, the total numbers are 1, 5, 10, 10, 5, 1. So this is our first part answer. For n equals to 5, find the number in the second column. So n equal to 8, the number that is basically not find in terms of answer. We have to write here. For n equals to 5, the number in second column are 1, 5, 1, 1, 5, 10, 10, 5, 1. So this, if we do this one, you will get here 1 marks. So now second part here, another questions. Some of the numbers follow always 2 to the power n formula. So what will be their sum? Let's review. In the second part, their sum will be, this sum will be, if we do here, their total sum will be 2. And here total sum 1 plus 2, 3, 3 plus 1, 4. And this is 4, their sum will be 3, 3, 6, 7 and 8. Their sum is 8. And therefore their sum will be 16. And so 3, 8 and 16, and their sum will be 10 plus 10, 10 plus 10 and then 10, there will be 32. So in the first row, the sum of the numbers 2. In the second row, sum of the numbers is 4. In the third row, sum of the numbers is 8. And in the fourth row, sum of the numbers is 16. So in the fifth row, sum of the numbers is 32. So now by using them, we will show here second part. Sum of the numbers in the first row are 1 plus 1 equals to 2. 2 means 2 to the power 1. So I think if you do not write here, this 2 is also be okay. The sum of the numbers in second row. Second row means 1 plus 2 plus 1. 1 equals to 4. That means 4 means if we write here 4 divided by 2, that means 2 multiplied 2. That means 2 square is equals to 4. Similarly, sum of the numbers in third row. So third row now total numbers sum will be 1 plus 3 plus 3 plus 1 is equals to 8. 8 means 2 to the power 3. So in the same way, fourth row number will be 2 to the power 4. So always we see here that total sum is increasing 2 to the power 1, 2 to the power 2, 2 to the power 3, 2 to the power 4. Definitely the nth term number will be 2 to the power n. So that's now we can show the sum of the numbers in column follow 2 to the power n formula. And this is our requirement shown. So I hope all of you have understood this one properly. Now we will show the next question. Next, what is the next questions? Make a series by using the sum of all numbers in each row. And how many rows number sum will be 2046. So first step, we have to draw the series here. And then now series, and then how many rows? That means 1 row, 2 row, 3rd row, 4th row, 5th row. In how many rows? Total sum will be 2046. So that means our requirement is number of rows. So now second question, so we can start the series. That means the sequence should be added here. In the first row, the sum of the all numbers will be 2. In the second row, sum of the all numbers will be 4. And in the third row, sum of the all numbers is 8. So similarly, by taking the sum by sum of the first rows, second rows, and third rows. So here definitely we see here there is a series. So let's identify, is it arithmetic series or geometrical series? Here the first term is 2. If we divide 4 by 2, there will be 2. If we divide 8 by the previous one, there will be 2. If we divide 16 by 4, there will be, 16 by 8, there will be 2. So in every cases we see here, if we divide any number by the previous number, always we get here 2. So that means first terms will be 2 and the common ratio is 2. 2 means greater than 1. So we all know in geometric series there are basically two formula for summation. When the r is greater than 1, there will be one formula. When the r is smaller than 1, there will be another formula. So here common ratio is greater than 1. Definitely we have to apply this formula. Sum of nth terms of series Sn equals to a r to the power n minus 1 r minus 1 for r is greater than 1. And our requirement is in how many rows the total sum will be 2046. So we start let the sum of the nth terms. Sum of the nth terms will be 2046. So according to questions, both are the result of sum and they are the same. So according to the questions, we can write here, there's a sum will be a r to the power n minus 1 divided by r minus 1 equals to 2046. So now there are two. Okay, put the value here, a equals to 2 and r equals to 2 to the power n minus 1, then r equals to 2 minus 1, there is a third. So now 2 minus 1 equals to 1, so no need to write the 1 denominator side. There is 2 multiply, so 2 multiply divided here, there will be divide shifted to right side. So doing the divide, you will get here 1023. So now this minus 1 shifted left to right side, there will be plus 1, and this is 1024. But what is our requirement? Just find the value of n. But n is indexed here, but base is 2. Definitely we have to convert this number with the 2 base, because there is a base is 2 and there are 1024. So we have to convert this number into 2 base. So now divided by 2, divided by 2, divided by 2, finally you will get here total 1 to 10 2. So they are total 2 to the power 10 equals to 1024. So now when the base are the same in the same side, definitely their index will be same. So now so the sum of the 10th terms, that means value of n is number of terms. Sum of the 10th terms is 2046. That means according to question requirement, sum is 10th terms is our answer. So I think now you can see the full questions here. This is the question number. This is the question number B. So if you want to take a screenshot here, please carry on. And this is the first question. This is the twice A and twice A first questions. The full questions you can see here. So if possible, if you want, you can take the screenshot here. This is the number A and this is the number B. So now let's review the next questions. Another important questions here. First we will discuss the questions, then we will solve the answer here. These questions, basically there are, if n is equals to non-negative natural numbers, sum of k is equals to 1 to n and k cube, and each sum is given here 784. This information is given here. Then find the value of sum of sum of k is equals to 1 to n and k square. That means sum of the q third power is given here and our requirement is second power. There are total 4 marks question criteria given here. Formula of cube root of natural numbers 1, then the value of n, you will get here another 1 marks. And if you can write the formula of square of natural numbers, there will be 1, and final value, the answer is 1. So total 4 marks is divided here. So now first step, we can write the answer. So I think if someone missed, this is the screenshot of first question A. So if you miss any word or letter, you can take the screenshot here. This is A answer, and this is answer, first question answer B, 1B. This is the full answer of 1B. So, okay, you can take the screenshot here. This is the full answer of 1B. So now we can start question number 3 here. Already solution, I have done the solution here. Okay, first, these informations, if the n is the elements of non-negative natural numbers, then k equals to 1 to up to n, and 7 is equals to, there will be k cube. I have done here mistake. This one will be k cube, and this is also given here k cube. If sum of k 1 to 3, k cube equal to 784, then find the value of sum of k equals to 1 to n and k square. So first we can start from this line given that here. Okay, this is answer. Answer the question number 3, given that a sum of up to k to the k1 to n. K1 to n means first we will apply here k cube. First we will apply here k is equals to 1. Then we will apply here k is equals to 2 up to k is equals to n. So when k is equals to 1, there will be 1 cube. When k is equal to 2, there will be 2 cube. When k is 3, there will be 3. So up to which number? Up to n. And so this is the this symbol is indicate the sum. That means their total sum, summation, and the result is 784. So now this is, if you complete up to this, you will get here 1 marks. If you will get here 1 marks. So now the sum is also given here. This is the formula. This is the cube of sum of the cube of natural numbers, and times there are n numbers, so n multiply n plus 1 divided by 2 whole square. Now in the first step, this is square shifted in the right side, so any square number will be square root here. 784 square is 28, and these two divide here shifted in the right side, it will be now multiply. So finally we see here there are n times of n plus 1 multiply n square plus n, there is 56. Now 56 shifted in the right side, there will be minus. So now is the simply middle term factors. There are 8 7s are 56, 8n minus 7n, there will be 1n. So now take the common from the first two part and second two terms. So you will get here two factors. Factors now n plus 8 and n minus 7. There are multiplication of two factors, their total result is 0. That means either this one is 0 or this one is 0. So first we consider first one is 0, then second factor is 0. So now if we start from the first factor is 0, n equals to minus 8. But in the question, the given condition, n is the elements of natural numbers. That means 8 is on the minus 8 is not the natural numbers. That means this value is not acceptable here. So now we can start from the second factor, n minus 7. So now n minus 7 is equals to 0. That means n equals to 7. So when n equals to 7, there will be 7, 8, 4. So now by using this value of n, we can find the sum of k is equals to 1 to n k square. So let's review the questions again. What is the questions? Then we can understand properly. Okay. So in the second question, what we see here, find the value of this one, and this is our requirement. The cube value is given and find the square value. So now just value of n. Value of n is 7. So now sum of the square of non-negative positive number up to n. So there will be like, this is like as previous one. By using their formula, n times of n plus 1 twice n plus 1 divided by 6 is the sum of the square of non-negative positive number. In the first part, we know the value of n is 7. That means the putting the value of n plus 1, 8, 15 plus n 7 multiplied to 14 plus 1 the 15. Now this 804 divided by 6, there will be 140. So according to our question requirement, this is our answer. So dear students, I think now I will show here the full question at a time. If you want to take the screenshot, please carry on. So this is the full answer of question number 3, total 4 marks question. Total 4 marks. If you complete up to this, you will get here 1 marks. If you complete up to this, you will get here another 1 marks. If you can write the formula of square, you will get here 1 marks. If you can identify the right answer, you will get here another 1 mark. So total 4 marks out of 4 you will get here. So each and every questions there are given mark criteria. So I hope all of you have understood this math properly, and thank you so much. I hope you understood this assignment properly. If you have any questions, please let me know. And my request to all of you, please try to share this content to your friends and family members. And so don't forget to subscribe my channels. Hope to see you all in the next classes and wish you all the best. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. Thank you so much.